All right, so language explorers, let's look at this Sunday's preposition. So as far, like a big distance. As far. Yes. I walked as far as I could. We saw, we stood, we waited for as, no, we saw as far as the eye could see. Yeah. We drove as far as the coast, to the coast. Yeah. How cool is that? So I drove as far north as the coast. Yeah. We went as far as we could. I went with them as far as they wanted me to. Yeah. How cool is that? We walked as far as we could. So she walked with me as far as she wanted to. As far as she wanted. Yeah. How cool is that? This bridge can take us as far as the other side of the forest. Yeah. We can go a long way with this bridge. So I went with them as far as I could. Yeah. So she drove as far as the car could take her. He worked as far away from home as possible. He wanted to travel. Yeah. They thought it could work as far as 10 meters. The signal could be received as far as 10 meters. It could work up to as far as 100 meters away. It depends on the weather too. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So, I'm planning as far into the future as possible. Yes. I'm thinking and strategizing as far into the future as possible. I think as far into the future as possible. Long term. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. Everything I do is with a long-term approach, as far as I can plan and imagine. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. How cool is that? They will go with us as far as the road takes. So she will follow me as far as she can walk on the road. Yeah. She will come with me as far as she wants. She will go as far as she can. She will go as far as she can and then maybe turn around. Yeah, it depends. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Yeah. So I like to plan as far into the future as possible. Yes, with my lessons and content and books and beyond, planning, strategizing as far into the future as possible, and imagining and reverse engineering. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So, can you use as far in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel, more videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram when you search for English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy too by looking for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.